your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status using your iPhone. This is super handy if you want your followers on both platforms to see the same content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and go to your profile. Then, if you haven't already, go ahead and create a story by tapping the plus icon at the top left or swiping right from your home screen. Scroll through your gallery and choose a photo or video you would like to post. Once done, tap on your story just down below. Now, once your story is posted, tap on your story to view it. This can take some time, so either remember to have a good internet connection. Now, to share the story on WhatsApp, we need to save it. Tap the 3 dots at the bottom right of your story, then tap Save and choose Save Photo or Save Story, depending on your content. The story will now be saved to your Photos app. Now, close Instagram and open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Go to the Status tab, then tap the camera icon or My Status. Choose the video or photo you just saved from Instagram. You can add text, emojis, or drawings if you'd like. Then tap the Send button to post it as your WhatsApp status. And that's it. If you found this helpful, feel free to share and subscribe for more tips.